Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kiyomi. I know it's been a while, but I've been very busy. I'm doing my internship right now and I'm very busy with school and everything. So if you catch me posting, it's either on TikTok or Instagram. So I'm sorry for that in advance. Today, I already spoiled this on Instagram, but I have a package from FYTOO. I'm very excited. I got 5 pairs of glasses and I'm so excited to try them on for you. This is one of them, but let's get started. So this one is the first one. I really love it. I'm going to put the names on the screen. I love clear glasses. Like, I've been trying to get one for the longest, and to get one that really fits my face is another thing. So this one is perfect. I love the shape. It's very different. I've never had something like this before. This is a close-up of the details. The shape is different, and here you have like a green color, so it's really cutesy, very demure, and I love it. It's kind of big, but I love it for my face. I actually love it so much, and I would definitely recommend you. So yeah. And very quickly, a background information: FYTOO sells eyeglasses online. They are very cheap, and also you have prescription glasses. This one is one of them, and let me tell you, these are perfect. So they are perfect. I only have this one as prescription. The other ones are just frames, so you could choose when you order, of course, but they are very good. And I mean, I can see everything. There's no difficulty with seeing anything, so it fits perfectly. Okay, so now to the second pair. And now, oh my god guys, you already seen this one on my Instagram. I really love this one. The color is so perfect. It's different. I love the red color. Would thought I would rock this. So good. Anyways, so these are the details. This is literally my favorite one because it's amazing, and the thick frames, I love it. This one of course doesn't have prescriptions, so as I told you, so this one is just frames, and I wear my contact lenses normally and just wear this. They are very cute, but of course if you want them to be your prescription glasses, you can do that too. I will put the name on the screen. I love that this is very thick, and also it's kind of see-through. Like, it's not like a bright red color either. It's like a dark red. I really love it. So if you like the color too, I know you could rock it too. So let's go to the next one. I'm very excited. Oh my god, this one is also one of my favorites. The shape is very different. I never had something like this before. I look professional. I love it. Oh my god. Like, this is not black, but it kind of looks like black, but it's so cute. It's very pretty. Okay, so the details, you know, it's not, I don't know how to describe the shape. So it's kind of circle, but also like square. I don't know, square, rectangle, I don't know. Anyways, so they are like this. Very cutesy. I love this one. I can't wait to wear it out. Like, this could be like an everyday glasses. So can't wait to wear this one out. I love it so much. Very cute. Okay, this one is very different for me, but it actually looks very good. Okay, kind of professional. I love it. It's very cute. I love the detail right here, like the silver color, and also here it's very cute, and with the black and everything. Okay, let me zoom in so you can see. I feel like this is something very different for me, but it looks amazing, and I kind of think like they are the similar. I don't know if you could see it because it's clear, but you remember this one. They are kind of similar, like with the detail here, but this one is in black and silver and this one is clear. Like, okay. I'm very excited. Oh my god. And on to the last one. I can't remember which one oh yeah, saved the best for last. Oh my god, guys, this is so funny because I saw that these glasses were trending again and I really wanted to try one, so this was the opportunity to try it. Okay, I want to know if you guys are ready. Anyways, okay, I'm going to show you. I cannot be serious, but yeah. I can't believe it, but this one is so cute. It gives like 90s, like, oh my god, so cute. It kind of fits my face. I feel like I have to take pictures with this one, like maybe do a shoot like in a professional way, like playing a teacher or something, because it looks very good. Like, hello. But yeah, see the details, it's kind of like the red, like this red-ish, or darker. No, it's darker for sure. They also have it in black, I think also brown, but it looks very cute. And you have the detail here in silk. No, it's gold, yeah. And it's very cutesy. I love it. So you would see this more often on my page too, because of course I'm going to wear this one. Anyways, in the box, besides the glasses, you also get this one. These two come in the back. Like, you have the towel. And this, I'm not sure what it is. Oh, maybe to fix the glasses if needed. I'm not sure. It looks like a tool. And it's a keychain, so that's cute. I hope it's like for the fixing if needed. I don't know how to work with this one. And also in every glass bag, you get like another towel. So in total I have 6, and you also get this one, which is a card for $10 off. What else? You get like, oh, this is cute. Like, they tell the story of FYTOO, about the shades they have, the lenses, and so on. You also get a PD ruler, which is like this, so you could measure your own PD, like popularity distance. And lastly, we have, wait, this is it, the receipt. So yeah, of course, if you are interested, you can also make your order for cheap on the FYTOO's website. You can use my code KIYOMI15, which is going to be on the screen, for 15% off. And I really hope you could give FYTOO a try, because the glasses are really good quality. The prescription glasses are also very good, so 10 out of 10 recommended. And I cannot wait for you to show me what you got, because they are good. And thank you, FYTOO, so much for this opportunity, and I cannot wait to work with you again later in the future. So thank you again. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some ideas for some glasses in the future. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, so FYTOO could see that you also love the glasses. I know, right? But yeah, see you next time. Bye.